Hey, I've got a tool that's under $20 that will sell yourself and your customers on the value of cabin air filters. Next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
Selling cabin air filters to some customers, or even convincing someone on your sales floor or behind the counter that cabin air filters are important, can be very difficult. You can't see them, they're usually tucked underneath the dash, but they play a critical role in the customer's health and safety of the vehicle, especially during wintertime. This is a wind speed meter. I bought this for less than $20. This can measure the speed of the air coming out of the ducts on the dash. Why? Well, try this. Measure the wind speed coming out of one of the center ducts before and after a cabin air filter replacement. You'll definitely see a pretty good improvement when you put a fresh filter in. This is critical for the customer to see, and also for that person who's selling the filter to understand the big difference between a brand new and an old cabin air filter. And also, we're coming up on wintertime. Cabin air filters are very crucial during the season. It's very cold outside, and the emissions from vehicles emit more particulate emissions. Cabin air filters can pull those particulate emissions out of the air. This means that they aren't reaching the customers and leaving carcinogens in their lungs. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.